How to turn off Google Workspace smart features in Gmail. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Google Workspace smart features in the Gmail app on your Samsung phone. First, open the Gmail app. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select the Gmail account you want to change. Scroll down to the General section. Then tap Google Workspace Smart Features. Here, you'll see the option for Smart Features in Google Workspace. Tap the checkbox next to it to turn this feature off. You may also see Smart Features in other Google products. Turn this off as well if you don't want Google to use these smart features across other Google products. Also, these settings apply to your account across the devices and apps where you're signed in. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off Google Workspace smart features in Gmail on your Samsung phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Samsung tips, Gmail tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.